Take a ride in the 2018 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.